Walk with me today, Richard Landis, as we travel from Chambers Fort Park to across the street. Our stop here today is only a few short yards away and shares a history as old as the town. This cemetery and the buildings on the right are the Falling Springs Church and Cemetery. This cemetery has its roots going back even before Ben Chambers himself, rumored to have once been a burial ground for the local natives. It was a deal with Chambers himself that it should remain a cemetery when he settled the area. This cemetery and the graveyard's land was given by Ben Chambers for the cost of a single rose per year to the local church. When walking down the graveyard's path, one is immediately able to notice a rather large dip in the ground.
We can see the dip here in the land. The stream once came all the way up and actually surrounded this center island. This center island, where Ben Chambers is now buried.
Going further down the walkway, past the ground once cut by the falling spring, forming a natural island, one can see a brick-fenced lot. In this lot is the town's founder, Ben Chambers, and his family. Turning back around to face the churches, the short path will take one to a great piece of history. Here, the churches stand on the original ground set by Ben Chambers for the place of worship. The church, on the left, the Falling Spring Presbyterian Church, was first started as a log church just 20 years after the town's founding. This was due to the original places of worship being inside Ben Chambers' home and others' houses. Needing even more space, in 1767 they rebuilt the church once more, this time even larger. As the town would grow, so will the church for a third time. In 1803, the church's walls were replaced with a local limestone, as we can see here, giving us the connection to the past we have today. With this connection to the town's founding and to the start of the 1800s, we now move to our next destination. Here, we will begin to talk of the town's growth and industrialization.